YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Click on that, see what goodies they have to offer. But if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. But we shall see what's inside. And we got the good old holidays fast approaching, so you never know. Here we go. And this is... oh. Alright. Foldable breakfast table. Coming from PiPiShell. Yep, PiPiShell. Check them out. They got all different types of like trays and stuff like that. So if you're looking for something like this, add it to the cart now, and they'll ship it to you. Here we go. Nice black one. They got different colors and all types of different things. Let me get this going. That down here. Oh, here we go. Here's the back. That's where they fold the tray. There we go. Kind of like this. Kind of like that. Spread it. And then flip. Bam. Really nice. Side. So there you go. If you're looking for a nice breakfast tray or breakfast table tray, here's a good one. Check them out. Be safe. Have a good night.